In this tutorial, we'll start to learn how to navigate through Google Earth and the data set that was created for Santa Rosa. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice that in the Places dialog box, there's a folder structure called Master Santa Rosa KMZ file, and that will allow you to turn on and turn off the different kinds of data. In this case, you can start to see that the study area can be turned on and turned off. That's the area of focus that we worked on this last summer. And then, of course, the legend can be turned on and turned off. In terms of some of the things that we were able to include were some photographs. So if you go into the archive, you can actually click on a photograph and you'll get a URL. You click on that, and that'll allow you to roam through the different archives that we've created. In this case, some of the archives that the students were able to move through while they were there. So just a sampling of different photographs related to the data that was able to be archived, and then move back to Google Earth. Now, also embedded in that is a series of videos, and they're also geographically specific. So in this case, we're going to go to this Anaya sculpture, and you'll see that it's actually geographically specific to the Anaya sculpture in Santa Rosa. So this is a video that was created by students that starts to show the different types of study that they were interested in pursuing.
In the city of Santa Rosa, near the northeast corner of Lake Park, there lies a tranquil sculpture of Rodolfo Anaya.
It was a small town with a park and a memorial and a statue of a writer. I don't think I can.
So you can actually see that there's quite a few videos that the students were able to accumulate into the database. And then finally, if you start to look at the historical imagery, so let's go ahead and close this Google Earth, and we'll actually get rid of the legend in this case, and then we'll go to the historical maps. And so we have a 1939 map that starts to show sort of what it was like in 1939. So let's turn that on. Give it a second to start to upload. And many of these maps are a little bit big in terms of file size because we wanted to be able to provide a high resolution of data in the archive. So you can see here that there's a 1939 aerial study, and we can zoom in and be able to get a pretty good resolution in terms of what it looked like in 1939. You'll be able to toggle back and forth between these different images as you sort of switch on and switch off the different types of tablets. So that hopefully gives you an indication of how to navigate through the data and get you started in terms of some of the features that Google Earth can do.